KG1 and KG2 and welcome to our first assembly. And wow, what an awesome week 5 this has been. I've seen some incredible sports day posts, all your photos and videos with mums and dads and brothers and sisters, and then Earth Day yesterday. So well done for another fantastic week. Wow. I'm exhausted from everything that you've been doing this week, and I'm so excited now to be able to celebrate with you all of your brilliant achievements and some of those extra special Dynamite Distance Learning Awards. Now, for the start of this assembly, just before we do the awards, we're going to have a little think about some learner profile attributes, and these are special IB learner profile attributes, and there are 12 of them, and I'm going to share them with you today. Now, I wonder if you know some of them already. There were 12 attributes in our learner profile. Caring, that's Little Miss Sunshine. Knowledgeable, that's Mr. Clever. Risk taker, that's Mr. Brave. Inquirers, that's Mr. Nosy. Principled, Little Miss Wise. Thinkers, Little Miss Inventor. Balanced, Mr. Happy. Open-minded, Little Miss Curious. Reflective, Mr. Daydream. Communicator, Mr. Chatterbox. Tolerant, Mr. Strong. And resilient, Mr. Bump. I wonder which learner profile attribute you've shown us this week. Now, the learner profile attribute that we are going to focus on today is caring. And we have got Little Miss Sunshine to help us today to think about what it means to be caring. Do you know what it means to be caring? How have you been caring this week? I wonder if you've done anything kind or thoughtful for your mum or your dad or your brothers or sisters, or even for your teacher or any other family members that you are in contact with. Now, Miss Sunshine is always caring, and I wonder if you've read any of the stories that she's in. Now, our assembly today, we are going to read and listen to a little story all about how to be good at caring. Okay, PreK, KG1 and KG2, this is one of my favourite stories, and it really makes me think about what it must feel like if you have really caring friends to help you when things are tricky. And it's called Rabbit's Nap. And it's by one of my favourite authors, Julia Donaldson, and it's illustrated by Axel Scheffler. Rabbit's feeling sleepy. She curls up in a chair. Tap, tap, who's that? Oh, it's Build-A-Bear. Poor Rabbit, she can't fall asleep with that noise in the background. Where can Rabbit have her nap? Oh, the window seat looks nice. Bang, crash, who's that? Oh no, a band of mice. Poor Rabbit. Rabbit's in her deck chair. A doze would be so good. Whack, crack, who's that? It's Fox, he's chopping wood. Poor Rabbit, I wonder where she's going to go next to try and sleep. A shady tree, says Rabbit, the kind of spot I like. Ting-a-ling, who's that? It's Tortoise on his bike. Poor tired Rabbit, she goes back home. She yawns and rubs her eyes. Rat-a-tat-tat, who's that? You're friends with a surprise. Hush a bunny, tra-la-la, we'll sing you off to sleep. Shall we have a peep? Aww. It's Rabbit, fast asleep. Her friends were so caring today that they wanted her to have a sleep. So they sang and played their instruments so that she had a good sleep. What lovely caring friends they are. I wonder if you've done anything caring this week, or if you could do something caring next week. The final part of our assembly today is to announce the winners of the first round of Dynamite Distance Learning Awards. So, a drum roll please. The first winners from PreK from Miss Victoria's class, are Andrew, Steve, Omar, Lynn for PE and Luca for music. The second class, PreK Miss Marjorie's class, Emma, Jayoon, Mariam for music and Ryan for PE. From PreK Miss Anel's class, we've got Mary Jo and Arian and Duru for PE and Liana for music. From KG1A, Miss Adele's class, we have Elia, Jahan, Rayan and Roxana for PE and Issa for music. From KG1B, Miss Caro's class, there's Ved, Chloe, Lothair, Lisa for PE and Hannah for music. From KG1C, Miss Tasmin's class, we've got Anaya, Devansh and Robert with Yasmin from PE and Zayn for music. From KG1D, Miss Maria's class, we have Ryan, Celine, Jayansh, Beren for PE and Hassan for music. From KG2A, we have from Miss Angelique's class, Samira and Konstantinos. We have Hazel for art, Yuvan for PE and Zaid for music. For KG2B, Miss Amarie's class, we have Ada and Gabrielle Marie, Mackenzie for art, Ethan for PE and Andre for music. From KG2C, Miss Noreen's class, we have Zain, Manal, Rahito for arts, Faris for PE and Divya for music. From KG2D, Miss Tara's class, we have Pujitha and Francesca, we have Ayush for arts, Abigail for PE and Joe for music. So well done to all of those students who have got their distance learning awards. You will be receiving those by email shortly with the full reason as to why your teachers have chosen you to get your distance learning awards. Well done guys, a fantastic job. I wonder who will be getting a certificate next week. Okay, brilliant news to all those winners. We wish you a brilliant weekend and a very, very wonderful Ramadan to those that are celebrating in our community. We do wish you all a safe and happy weekend and we look forward to next week where we'll have some more distance learning certificates. Bye for now, PreK, KG1 and KG2.